To this section of what is engineering. So actually, I'm pretty sure you got some ideas what's engineering. Maybe you think about a guy in a computer coding. Maybe you get, I'm pretty sure you imagine someone with a hat or a helmet in building bridges or streets. That's also cool. That's a civil engineer. Maybe you imagine yourself in a petrochemical company or maybe a petrochemical plant with valves and tubes, piping, and all that. That's also correct. Maybe you imagine yourself in a computer network and changing and making some cables going through there and adding electrical voltage and so on. That's also correct. Here we're going to see that engineering has plenty of fields. Engineering is essentially someone which likes to solve problems in order to improve our quality of life. So why, for example, silly example, why do we choose to have clothing? For protection, because we like it, it is cool and so on. Now, what's the task of the engineer is one problem will be we have clothing with ease, which is not that cheap. So we gotta do mass production in order to decrease prices. And maybe the dyes, what are the colors, what are the trends, how do I create a cool color? So one thing is to say, I like pink color, but chemically, what do you need to do in order to convert something to pink color? There are plenty of examples, maybe phone, audio engineers. So if your task is to get the most audio, video quality, or maybe if you're in a film industry, you gotta know about the acoustics, about sounds, how do they vibrate, and so on. That's what engineers do. Picture yourself whatever thing you see in real life. Auto requires mechanical engineers, requires also chemical engineers for maybe lubricants and maybe even gasoline. Electrical engineers will be working with the circuits. They will relate all the lights, all the buttons in the pad right there that requires electrical engineers. So all is related to engineering. So hopefully in this section you get to clear your doubts on what is engineering.